Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to download offline map on Google Maps. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your Google Maps application and then click here on your profile icon at the top right and then select offline maps. Now you can tap on select your own map and here in that window select which area to download. You can select some specific area. You can scroll left, right, up and down to find the place you need to download, and you can also scale to get the exact area that you want to download. And once you're ready, just tap done here and you can turn on or turn off notifications, and now you see the maps is being downloaded on your device. That's how it works. I hope it was helpful for you and see you next time.